What if I told you that there's an underutilized platform that can send waves of traffic to your jewelry site, drive conversions, and grow your sales without paying for ads? People come to Pinterest specifically to discover, shop, and find inspiration, and that includes what you have to offer. And the best part? Your pins keep driving traffic to your website for months, even years after you post them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this for your brand. 1. Set up your Pinterest business account properly. First, make sure you're using a business account so that you can access those key analytics and tools to optimize your performance. You'll also want to create boards that align with the themes of your brand, but also think about search engine optimization. So be specific and consider what users might be searching for to find your jewelry, like minimalist gold looks. These boards will help you organize your content and reach the right audience. Number 2, this might be an obvious one, but I want you to create eye-catching pins. Pinterest is a visual platform, so your pins need to stand out. Use beautiful, high-quality images of your jewelry and add a compelling description that speaks to the search intent of your audience. Again, think about how someone would search for your jewelry to try to find it. Unique handmade rings, boho gold necklaces, and then use those phrases in your pin descriptions. Number 3, pin consistently. Like with any marketing platform, consistency is key. Try to post new pins regularly and even repurpose your content, like your blog posts or your Instagram posts and reels. Turn those into fresh pins. You want to aim for about 5 to 10 pins a week to build momentum and just keep going. Keep gaining that visibility on Pinterest. But before I continue with my tips, let me tell you about something that can make your Pinterest strategy even easier. If you want personalized support to take your jewelry marketing to the next level, check out JoyDeck, the only marketing support and accountability platform designed specifically for emerging jewelry brands. You'll find expert advice, a community of business owners like you, and resources tailored to your needs. Start your free 30-day trial today at myjoydeck.com and discover how to grow your brand with strategies like the ones I'm sharing in this video. Number 4. Okay, I've kind of mentioned this a few times, but I really want to drive the point home right now. You want to leverage keywords and SEO on Pinterest. So just like with Google, SEO is essential on Pinterest. Make sure you're using keywords in your board names, pin titles, descriptions. This will really help your pins show up in search results, and that will drive even more eyeballs to your pins and more click-throughs to your site. And number 5, think about using Pinterest for product and collection launches, holidays, seasons, and events. However, you're gonna have to think ahead. So you planning a new collection drop? Is there a big promotion coming? Is there a holiday or season that's really important for your brand? It can take a little bit of time for your pins to gain traction on Pinterest. And so a few months or a few weeks before the actual date, you can start pinning behind the scenes shots, styling ideas, anything that you're able to connect to the actual time of year that you want to be launching something, because by the time your collection is live, you'll have a captivated audience ready to buy. All right, now let's look at some real-world examples of jewelry brands using Pinterest effectively. First up, Marla Aaron. This account does a fantastic job of aligning Pinterest with their brand. They have a clear, concise bio, a visible website URL, they're a verified merchant, and that just adds credibility. Plus, their images perfectly match their visual brand identity, creating a cohesive experience for the audience. Take a look at the top row of pins here under all pins. Everything feels consistent and intentional. Next, we have Boundary. This brand is another great example of staying on brand while also being strategic. Their boards are not only visually appealing, but also SEO optimized to cover key jewelry categories. If you scroll through their all pins section, you'll notice they use a variety of pin formats to keep their content fresh and engaging. Lastly, Kendra Scott takes SEO optimization to the next level. Their boards feature even more specific categories, allowing them to capture a wider range of search terms. You'll also notice that their Pinterest is updated very regularly, showcasing a great mix of on-model shots and images featuring quote-unquote real people wearing the jewelry. This combination of the aspirational and relatable content helps connect with different segments of their audience. And there you have it. These tips will help you get started with Pinterest marketing and drive more traffic to your jewelry website. If you're ready to take it up a notch, don't forget to check out JoyDeck for more tailored strategies, accountability, and support to grow your business. You can start your free 30-day trial today by visiting myjoydeck.com. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more jewelry marketing tips, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're planning to use Pinterest to boost your business or whatever questions you may have. Until next time, happy pinning, and I'll see you on JoyDeck.